Hi class! So today I'm going to teach you how to make salsa. It's very easy and super good. You're gonna love it. For this recipe, you're going to need onion, garlic, green hot pepper, red hot pepper, tomato, cilantro or coriander or pakuchi, and salt. Let's get started.
To be specific, you will need 3 red hot peppers, 3 green hot peppers, 3 tomatoes, 1/2 of an onion, some coriander, and garlic. First, cut the tops off of the hot pepper and take the husks off of the garlic, like this. So easy! Ooh-hoo-hoo. Yay! Now we're ready to cook. Hey! Okay, now we're going to roast the vegetables using a grill. But if you don't have one, you can use a pan too, and that will be okay. It's time to roast your vegetables, so put some in the fire. Make sure to roast your vegetables really well. They should look like this. Roast everything besides the cilantro. When you're finished roasting them, they should look a little burnt. This makes it taste good. Okay, now you put all of the vegetables inside of your blender. Add some salt and then blend it really well until it looks like this.
And just like that, you have your salsa. Good job, guys. This is really good to eat with tortilla chips, tacos, ceviche, eggs, a lot of things. So I hope you like it, but it is a little caray, a little spicy, so be careful. Until next time, bye!